Abdul Rahman again with you. So I'm back with JRT series, in GOT series, that is job oriented trainings as well as job ready trainings. So today in this series I will be focusing more on JOT, that is job oriented trainings, and my topic today would be basically more focused on supply chain and logistics industries. So it is what has been observed that there is a very less awareness in people and the job seekers, that what are the job opportunities in the supply chain management sector as well as in the logistics management sector. So let me shed some light on that in detail about this sector and what are the job opportunities in this. Well, this particular program, the program which we are exclusively running in Hyderabad, and we hardly see that there are other institutions who are majorly playing in this area. So this area basically focus more on the students or the job seekers coming mostly from commerce and management background. However, this sector also caters the other academic background too. So this sector basically talks about the program, like as I mentioned, supply chain management. Supply chain management again has multiple divisions. At least it can be divided into 6 more divisions. That is warehouse management, inventory management, procurement management, channel management, operations management, logistics management. So that way there are different specializations within supply chain management. And on the other hand, there is ILM, International Logistics Management Program. So the ILM program basically talks about international trade, export, import, air cargo, sea cargo. So why we have chosen this topic this week is basically we see there is a huge surge and requirement in in the job market. We see that a lot of companies approaching TWG today for hiring the resources. I can name some of the companies, that Flipkart is one of the company we are hiring for. We are also hiring for Big Basket. We are hiring for Kesineni. We are hiring for Cargomen as well as Avaya. So there are few companies like as well there are some more companies like Invertex and Alliance Group. So these groups are currently hiring the logistics and supply chain management professionals. We do have plenty of jobs in hand, but we very difficult to find the students or the job seekers who are trained in this sector. So what I would encourage the people who are looking for the job or wants to change their field because of pandemic, and because as we understand very well that there are a lot of job crisis in the market. So what I would advise is those who are looking to get on board quickly, they can go ahead and join this program. You can come down and meet our experts, industry experts who are sitting here with more than 25-30 years of experience. Meet our career advisors, get the details about the program, and you can able to grow up. And it has a huge growth potential. The vertical itself has a huge growth potential. It will start somewhere from storekeeper to the supply chain manager within the company. So there are multiple positions that one can start with a small position or a supervisory level position, and slowly he can grow in the career to procurement, to warehousing and inventory and purchase department, the different department they can go through, and finally they can go to the highest positions like supply chain manager, director, and the CXO level positions. So with that, this program I will end, and I will be back again next week with more detail and specific focus on any other industry. Thank you very much for watching this program.